Okay, this is what I'm doing here. I'm no electrician. I'm not. But here we go. So I got the red on top and black on the bottom. That's gonna be for my ceiling fan. And this one here, I got it as marked as white, blue with the black on the bottom. And this one here as black and black. So this right here is gonna be my electrical part for the outside. We still gotta do that. Yes. This here is where my ceiling fan's gonna be. As you can see, I got blue, white, and black. And here's my power, which is red. Yeah, it's red. So the blue and white here are gonna be, I think, hooked up together. Yes. So my plants, I hope I don't blow up, guys.